Children, today we are going to learn about farm animals and how they are useful to us. But first, we need to know, where do the farm animals live, isn't it? Yes, farm animals live in a farm. Children, this is a farm. This is a farm. A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals. People who grow these plants or raise these animals are called farmers. So, children, farm animals are those animals that are raised on a farm. These animals help the farmers in the farm. So, cow, duck, horse, hen, and sheep are some of the farm animals. Come on, children, let's sing a song. You all can sing along with me. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baba here and a baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Hope you all enjoyed singing with me. Now let's learn about each of these farm animals. This is a cow. This is a cow. It has 4 legs and a tail. The cow gives us milk. It likes to eat grass. A cow says moo. This is a hen. Children, this is a hen. It has 2 legs and feathers. The hen likes to eat grains. It gives us eggs. It gives us eggs. A hen clucks. Now let's move to the next farm animal. This is a horse. This is a horse. It has a tail and mane. The horse runs very fast. It eats hay and grass. Horses are used for riding and for drawing carts. The horse neighs. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep is also a farm animal. It has 4 legs and a short tail. The sheep gives us wool. This wool is then used to make woolen clothes for winter. The sheep likes to eat grass. A sheep says ba, ba. This is a duck. This is a duck. They live in ponds. It can swim and dive. It has 2 legs and wings. The duck likes to eat seeds. It gives us eggs like hens. A duck quacks. time. Teacher is going to ask you a few questions related to the topic farm animals that we have learned today. Are you all ready, children? Let's begin, children. The first question is, I have 2 legs, I have feathers, I lay eggs. Who am I? Yes, it's a hen. Hen, you are right. Very good, children. The next question is, I have a tail, I live on a farm, I give milk to the farmer. Who am I? Very good. Cow, it's a cow. Well done. Let's move to the third question. I have a tail and mane, I eat hay and grass, I neigh. Who am I? Any guess? Yes, you're right. It's a horse. Well done. Keep it up. Let's move to the next question. Excited, children? Yes. I have 4 legs. I have a short tail. I give wool. Who am I? Yes, it's a sheep. Sheep. Excellent, children. Well done. Pat yourself. Next question. I can swim and dive. I have 2 legs. I have wings. I quack. Quack, quack. Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. Well done, children. Keep it up. Hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. See you all soon.